Most Schengen visa rejections don't happen because the embassy thinks your relationship isn't real. They happen because your paperwork sucks. And the number one killer? A weak invitation letter. Here's the truth. It's the single most important document in your application. If you get it wrong, you're done. We know because we've been there. Twice. No agents, no shortcuts. Just months of stress and research. And did I mention we got approved both times? In this video, I will save you hundreds of euros and countless sleepless nights as I break down exactly how to write a strong invitation letter step by step. What to include, what to avoid, and how to make it convincing enough that the embassy officer has no reason to say no. By the end, you'll know how to create a letter that actually works. Let's dive in. You've heard it many times. Don't judge a book by its cover. But the unlucky truth is, that's exactly what embassies do. Your invitation letter is the cover of your entire visa application. If it looks weak or confusing, they won't bother reading the rest, no matter how strong your other documents are. In simple terms, it's a formal letter you write to invite your girlfriend, showing who you are, why she's visiting, and how her trip is paid for. Get this page right, and you instantly make your whole application look solid and convincing. But what exactly should your letter include? Let's go step by step through the 9 things every strong letter needs. Miss one, and you risk rejection, so watch carefully. Number 1, your details. This should include your full name, home address, phone number, email and passport number, so the embassy knows who you are. Number 2, embassy details. Put the name of the embassy and the subject invitation letter for Schengen visa application. Number 3, your partner's details. Make sure to include her full name, home address and passport number to make it 100% clear who is being invited. Number 4, purpose of the visit. Explain why she's coming, what you will do together, and why this trip is important for your relationship. Number 5, details of visit. List the arrival and departure dates and where she will stay during the visit. Number 6, financial responsibility. Tell the embassy who will cover the expenses and mention the financial documents you attach to prove you are able to fully cover the trip. Number 7, ties to Thailand. Show that she has strong reasons to return home, like her job, children, family, or property. Number 8, attachments. At the end, list the supporting evidence. Flight reservations, hotel booking, bank statements, or photos of your relationship. Number 9, signature. Always close the letter with your full name, date, and handwritten signature if possible. Follow this order and your letter will look professional, easy to read, and exactly what the embassy expects. Now you know everything your letter must include. But if you want to make things easier and avoid second-guessing every sentence, you don't have to start from scratch. On our website, you can download a ready-to-use invitation letter template we personally used in our own approved visa applications. It's pay what you want, which means you can even get it for free, if you like. And if you want to be 100% sure your submission looks perfect, we've also made our complete approved Schengen visa document package available. It's the full set of real, anonymized documents from our successful application. Every letter, explanation and form we submitted, so you can see exactly what works. So now you know, the invitation letter is not just a formality, it's your chance to prove your relationship, your travel plans, and your financial stability. Write it clearly, avoid common mistakes, and attach the right documents. If you follow the steps we just shared, you'll already be far ahead of most applicants. Remember, this process can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be confusing. If we could do it, you can too. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your visa and your relationship. Finally, if you want to go deeper into the whole Schengen visa process, not just the invitation letter, but every important document, watch our next video where we break down all the documents you need, step by step.
I'm so excited.
Oh, why? No. Yeah, I don't know, baby. No.
In the passport, open the passport. You got the visa. Hey!
Yeah.
Yes.